This is very, 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 very impulsive. I'm just really bored. And, I want to give myself bangs. I think it's probably a bad idea, but I asked my mom and she said yes, so we're gonna do it. I already have it sectioned. It's a little crooked right here, so I'm gonna try to like a little straighter. Oh, that made it worse. Yeah, I'm doing like very wispy bangs here. This is such a bad idea. I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna totally regret this. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we're just gonna start like chin length. Ow. I hit my elbow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, well, it could be worse. It could be worse, y'all. I don't know what I want to do with this. Throw it away, I guess. I'm so spontaneous. We're gonna go to the nose. My hair's too frizzy for this. Okay, so this is like what I wanted, I think. So I don't know how this is gonna look when I like wash my hair. But you know, I don't know what regrets are. Except for the fact that I'm gonna have to vacuum up my gross hair particles later. I feel like every girl has to spontaneously cut her bangs at some point, you know? It's like a rite of passage. Let's see how it looks with my hair down. Oof. It's cute! Oh my god. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's definitely still in my eyes. But like, hey, it's not the worst. They're wispy. Wow. Okay, this isn't as bad. This isn't as drastic as I thought it was gonna be. I think people do this a lot. So we're gonna do that. I can just feel the pieces of hair falling into my lap. It's gross. I shouldn't have done this in my room. Oh, I just cut a pretty sizable chunk. Great. You know, guess what I'm doing? I'm giving myself bangs. There's just like little pieces of hair flying in my face. I'm gonna take a break for a second and come back later. I'm gonna see what my mom says. Mom, what do you think? They're still a little long.
That looks nice.
Yeah, doesn't it?
I like it. Yeah. Yeah, I would say maybe like...
Add some longer pieces on the sides.
Yeah, and just sort of like, I think the rest of it kind of rough, like don't do it straight.
No, yeah, that's what I've been doing with this.
Yeah, I like it.
There's a lot of hair on my desk. Now I'm gonna see what my sister says. She's probably not gonna be as enthusiastic. Julia, look, I cut my hair.
Huh?
I cut my hair.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Then why is it so wispy and dead looking?
What?
Look at it.
I did cut my hair. What can I do to do to prove to you that I cut my hair? Do you want to pull on it?
You try and fake us out all.
It's real. Do you like it? You can say no.
I don't know.
You don't like anything I do, so it's fine. Look.
Okay, fine. But it looks like you just took it looks like you just went like this and then combed hair over the top of it to conceal it.
It's not even worth getting my dad's reaction because he won't notice. But yeah, I don't quite know like how this is gonna work. Like I can still do this like flip thing, right? I don't know. I'm gonna continue doing this. Hopefully I don't cut my eyelashes off or anything. Ooh, that was a big chunk. So it's a little longer on this side. So I think I'm just gonna like take like this piece of hair. I don't know, man. I don't know. And just do like that. Oh, that was not an improvement. Okay. I feel like I look like I'm from like Texas or something. No offense. But, oh my god, freaking ponytail and bangs is the cutest thing ever. I could totally pull these off. I would just say it. This situation right here is a bit crusty-tastic. But yeah, my dreams have finally come true. I have spontaneous bangs. Give myself layers within my bangs a little bit. You know? Like that. Maybe that was a terrible idea. I don't really know. Okay. So I sprayed them with a spray bottle and like scrunched them just to see how they would look when they're curled up, and it looks a little weird, but like I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. I kind of just want to know what they're gonna look like when I like wash my hair, but I'm happy. Let's be honest. I was always like, yeah, I'm just gonna wait until, you know, it's fall to get bangs, and it's like school hasn't even started yet, but I don't give a heck. I'm doing what I want, so no regrets.